Wondering what to discuss with your manager in the upcoming one-on-one meeting? Welcome to our video on optimizing one-on-one meetings. In today's video, we will explore a well-organized framework to make the most out of your 30-minute one-on-one meeting with your manager. Let's get started. One-on-one meetings are very important for the career development and growth of any software professional and must be utilized strategically. But often I have seen engineers avoiding one-on-one meetings, citing either too busy or don't have anything to discuss. Avoid this if you're serious about your career. I understand it can feel awkward to sit in front of your manager when you don't have anything specific to discuss. In my more than 2 decades of career, I personally have used the framework we are discussing and it has significantly contributed to boosting my career. It helped me be part of high impact initiatives and achieve back to back promotions. It will help you too. Keep watching to understand the framework. Hi there, welcome to Tech and Career Bytes. I'm a software professional with more than 20 years of experience, including 7 years in leadership roles at a global product based organization. But wait, before we begin, have you scheduled one on one meetings with your manager? If not, make sure you have one in your calendar as soon as possible. One on one meetings are usually conducted once in a week or once in a fortnight and usually are of 30 minutes duration. However, you can customize the frequency and duration speaking to your manager. A well organized framework for these meetings can help you make the best out of these 30 minutes and boost your career. Let's start with the opening segment of the meeting. The opening segment of a one on one meeting sets the tone for productive discussions. Use this time to briefly discuss any urgent matters or updates. For example, if you have been working on a critical production issue or have successfully resolved an issue, highlight it. Express gratitude for the manager's time and outline the agenda for the meeting. Next, let's move on to project and task updates. I would suggest avoid regular status updates unless they highlight your successes or challenges. Provide a quick overview of your recent achievements and hear from your manager. For example, you can say something like, I have successfully implemented the new feature, resulting in a 20% improvement in response time. However, I'm facing challenges with integrating the analytics module. I would like your insights on the best approach. Now, let's discuss feedback and progress. Seek feedback from your manager on your recent performance or specific tasks. Discuss any areas where you are looking to improve or grow. Share your progress on previously discussed action items and ask for further suggestions. For example, as you suggested earlier, I have been working on improving code efficiency. I would love to hear your feedback on my recent refactoring efforts. Also, are there other areas where I could further improve? Moving forward, let's talk about skill development and training. Discuss any training or skill development opportunities that you are interested in. Seek advice on prioritizing skills that align with both personal growth and team objectives. This shows your commitment to continuous improvement and also enhances your value to the team. For example, I have identified a training program on machine learning that aligns with our upcoming project. What are your thoughts on me attending this training? And do you see it adding value to our team's capabilities? As a software professionals, investing regularly in skill development is good for our career. Check the description box below for more learning resources. These resources will help you prepare for tech and system design interviews. Also, we have discussed software optimization case studies of several leading tech giants on this channel. Check them out as well. Next in the framework, let's explore your career aspirations and goals. Discuss your long term career goals and explore how your current responsibilities align with them. Seek guidance on potential growth paths within the organization to effectively plan your career development. For example, I aspire to become a subject matter expert in cloud technologies. How can I contribute to cloud related projects within our team? And are there opportunities for mentorship in this area? If you aspire to get promoted, watch this video to prepare yourself. Now, let's discuss proactive initiatives and contributions. Share any proactive initiatives you have taken or ideas for improvement. Connect these initiatives with the team goals or the company's strategy to show your alignment with the broader objectives. This demonstrates your commitment to contributing beyond your immediate responsibilities. For example, I have been researching a new technology that could enhance our development process. Would you be open to a brief presentation on its potential benefits and how we might integrate it into our workflow? Moving on, let's address concerns and roadblocks. Use this time to address any concerns or roadblocks you are facing. Seek advice or solutions from your manager to overcome challenges. It would be good if you come up with possible solutions and discuss them with your manager. Collaborative problem solving enhances the team productivity and helps you overcome obstacles smoothly. For example, you can say, I have encountered some challenges in coordinating with the cross functional team. Do you have any suggestions on how I can improve collaboration and overcome these obstacles? Let's discuss company strategy and alignment. Discuss how your work aligns with the broader company strategy. Seek insights from your manager on how you can contribute to the organization's overall goals. Understanding the big picture helps you prioritize your efforts and contribute effectively to the company's success. For example, I'm curious about our company's long term goals our CEO shared with all the employees recently. How does our team's work fit into the broader strategy? And are there specific areas where I can contribute to our strategic objectives? Near the end of meeting, summarize the key takeaways and plan next steps. Summarize the key points discussed in the meeting. Confirm any action items, next steps, or follow up actions to ensure clarity and accountability. This ensures that the meeting ends on a productive note. Finally, let's focus on building strong relationship with your manager. Express appreciation for your manager's support and guidance throughout the meeting. End the meeting on a positive note to foster a healthy and strong working relationship. If you can't squeeze in all the points we discussed, fear not. Plan to include them in the next one on one meeting and keep it going. In today's video, we discussed how important one on one meetings are for our career, and we also discussed a framework to optimize these meetings. I hope this framework helps you have more effective one on one meetings with your manager. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Do check out our videos discussing case studies of well known tech companies. My name is Rupa, and I thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.